If you've seen content like this or like this, then you know that here at Cutback we believe in shipping updates regularly. After some big work in the past weeks and with even bigger projects in the pipeline, we are back to shipping regularly. May has been a busy month for us with lots of changes, but we wanted to keep you in the loop in case you missed it. Here's a quick roundup of what's new in Cutback.
First, we've made the proper noun panel easier to navigate. Just click the top right search icon. Even if you close it after transcription, it's always there now. The action menu got a thoughtful redesign. It's faster, more compact, and easier to use with two new options. Duplicate to new sequence allows you to create a new sequence using only the selected words, and edit timestamp jumps you to the exact timeline position of those words. We've also made more intuitive behaviors across the board, like auto deselecting after certain actions, scroll blocking when menus are open, and better alignment for right-click.
One massive thing that we've released in the past couple of weeks has been our chat-based auto-rough cut feature. I mean, I could sit here and go on and on about it, but I'll leave that to our CEO. Over to you, Tom.
So we opened the auto rough cut feature some time ago, and people are really loving it. We've heard a lot of people saying that it totally changed how they edit the video. They love choosing the best take feature or entering the script to edit the video based on the script and all the other features. And after that, we still talked with like 100 customers and then watched them and asked them how they edit the video. And we found that, more interestingly, a lot of people were using ChatGPT or other LLMs to help them edit the video. So what they usually did was just take out the whole transcript, put it into ChatGPT, and then ask it, hey, how should I edit this video? Or like, how should I do this? Oh, can you find this part? Oh no, that's good, but I think this is what I want. So they were like interacting with ChatGPT, and then the ChatGPT would give a pretty good result. And then they will have to find all the parts manually in the video of what ChatGPT suggested. So we decided to just put it inside Cutback so that you can talk directly with your favorite assistant while editing the video inside your favorite editor. So that's why we added chat-based editing. And you can just think of it as a personal assistant video editor just waiting for you. And you can ask the assistant all kind of questions. For example, this is another feature that people really love. You can ask Cutback for short form suggestions. And then it will find all the hooking viral moments and then suggest it with a viral hooking title, which is pretty good, and people are really using this feature a lot. You can basically do all the features that we provided on the auto rough cut feature without the chat. It's more powerful, where you can give your feedbacks or like directions in a more natural way. So you can remove filler words or silences or bad parts or unnecessary cuts. And you can ask for more details about, hey, I don't want the questions on the interview video. I only want to leave the answer parts. You can do that too. And chat interface is not the only interface. We still have presets. And we know that chat isn't always the best answer, because when there's like specific things that you want to do, giving like predefined presets or recommendations of like what it can do for the video is great. So that's what we still suggest. There are times where you want to give more detailed instructions or more complex instructions, or want to get some like ideas. And then that's where chat-based interface really shines.
Additional bugs that were fixed remove clip bug for smoother edits, fixed the multi-track silence removal with irregular ripples bug, fixed the preview playback after removing silences bug. As always, thanks for your feedback. We'll keep making things better week by week.